Today, we're going to show you how to install the BC40 wireless camera on a side-by-side and pair it with your Garmin Tread. Garmin strongly recommends having an experienced installer with the proper knowledge of installations and waterproofing install the mount. Incorrectly installing the mount can result in damage to the vehicle or the camera. Failure to heed the installation considerations could result in damage to the camera or the vehicle. Garmin is not responsible for any damage caused to the camera or vehicle during installation or as a result of the camera mount detaching from the vehicle. You can install the BC40 on a surface in your vehicle with the included screws or on a roll bar using the included zip ties. The included mounting screws are intended for installation only in vehicles with a fiberglass or plastic interior. The mounting screws should not be used for vehicles with an aluminum exterior or any other material. See your owner's manual for instructions to install the BC40 on a surface in your vehicle using screws. For this video, we will be installing the BC40 mount on a vehicle roll bar using zip ties. To begin, use the included zip ties to secure the mount to a roll bar using any of the slots on the mount. Then, tighten the zip ties to ensure the mount does not move during use. Next, we will install the batteries. The BC40 operates on two 1.5 volt AA batteries. These are not included. Use lithium batteries for best results. Lithium batteries provide extended battery life and better performance at low temperatures. Do not use AA batteries with a voltage specification higher than 1.5 volts. Higher voltages will cause permanent damage to the camera. Do not use lithium-ion rechargeable AA battery cells. Lithium-ion batteries use a different technology than non-rechargeable lithium batteries and may permanently damage the camera. To begin, rotate both battery covers toward the front of the camera and remove the battery covers. Then, insert a AA battery into each end of the camera, with the positive pole facing out towards the cover. On each battery cover, verify the gasket is clean and fully seated in the groove. Press the cap tightly and rotate it towards the back of the camera to lock it into place. The camera is not water resistant if the gaskets are not clean and properly seated, or if the covers are not properly locked into place. Verify each cover is fully sealed and no part of either red gasket is showing between the cover and the camera. Next, we will install the camera into the mount. Place one side of the camera into the mount with the lens facing outward. Then, press the other side into the mount until it clicks. Pull gently on the camera to verify both sides are locked into the mount. The camera can be rotated for more versatile mounting and field of view options. Once the BC40 is installed, we can pair the camera with the Garmin Tread. Ensure the software on your Garmin Tread is up to date before starting this process. The BC40 will enter pairing mode automatically once the batteries are installed. This will be indicated by the LED flashing blue. The camera will remain in pairing mode for 2 minutes. You can remove and reinsert the batteries if pairing mode expires. Make sure your Garmin Tread is within 5 feet of the camera. Then, turn on your Garmin Tread. To begin, select Settings. Then select Wireless Camera. Followed by OK. Select Add New Camera. You may need to remove and reinstall the batteries to put the BC40 camera in pairing mode if the LED is no longer flashing blue. Then, select OK. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.